Hello my dear student, welcome back in GK. Today we will do famous monuments and superlatives of India. See here, famous monuments. India has many famous buildings or monuments located in different parts of it. Some of them are given here. See here, number 1. Which mosque of Delhi was built by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan and completed in the year 1656 AD. It is one of the largest and best known mosque in India. Answer is Jama Masjid. See here picture, Jama Masjid. Number 2. Which Indian monument situated in New Delhi was designed by Edwin Lutyens to commemorate the Indian soldiers who died in World War I and the Afghan War? Answer is India Gate. See here picture, India Gate. Number 3. Which temple was built in black granite by King Narasimha Deva? Situated in Konark in the state of Odisha. The temple is a World Heritage Site. It takes the form of the chariot of Surya drawn by 7 spirited horses on 12 pairs of exquisitely decorated wheels. Answer is Sun Temple. See here, Sun Temple. Number 4. Which medieval structure is the tallest brick minaret in the world, built by Qutbuddin Aibak, the first Muslim ruler of Delhi? Answer is Qutub Minar. See here picture. Number 5. Which monument was built by Muhammad Qul Qutub Shah in 1591 to commemorate the eradication of plague shortly after he had shifted his capital from Golconda? Answer is Charminar. Next, number 6. Which white marble building located in Kolkata is a memorial of Queen Victoria, currently serves as a museum and a tourist attraction? It was designed by Sir William Emerson. Answer is Victoria Memorial. See here picture, Victoria Memorial. And the next chapter is superlatives of India. Superlatives means extremely good. How much do you know about India? Check your knowledge by matching the following superlatives with your names. Number 1 is the longest road. Number 1 is the longest road. And the answer is National Highway 44. This is from Srinagar to Kanyakumari and it connects the 11 states. Number 2, the longest tunnel. Longest tunnel before Atal tunnel is Jawahar tunnel, and now which one is longest? Atal tunnel. Okay, it connects the Manali to Lahaul Spiti. You can write with anyone. Number 3, the highest dam. Answer is Teri Dam. Number 4, the longest lake, and the answer is Bhular Lake. It is in J&K. Okay. Number 5, the highest waterfall. Answer is Jog Falls in Karnataka. Number 6, the largest mosque. Answer is Jama Masjid in Delhi. Next is the longest beach. Answer is Marina Beach in Chennai. Okay. Next is the largest stupa. Answer is Sanchi Stupa in Madhya Pradesh. Number 9, the largest church. Church is Saint Cathedral. Number 10, the largest auditorium. Answer is Shanmukha Nanda. Number 11, the longest dam. Answer is Hirakund Dam. Number 12, the largest plateau. Answer is Deccan Plateau. But you can write correct number in front of these words, okay? And see here, did you given in this chapter? Birla Planetarium, situated at Kolkata, is the largest planetarium in India. Planetarium means it is a model, you can say model or representation of the solar system, okay? See here, IQ test, find out the name of the longest and the highest aerial roadway in India. Now, longest is Oli cable car in Uttarakhand. It is declared by 26 October 2020. Before that, Gulmarg Gondola was the longest aerial roadway in India. Okay, beta. And the highest aerial roadway in India, Skyview Patnitop in J&K. Okay, students, thank you and have a nice day.